Buongiorno tutti. I'm making easy red lentil sloppy Joe, which I've never heard of before. And it's got quite a few ingredients. Easy red, I don't know where I got the easy part from. So it's 2 cups of dry red lentils. So I've rinsed them, I've got them draining. 340 grams of meatless crumbles. Now this is textured vegetable protein, which I've never had before. And that seems an awful lot, doesn't it? A cup of sweet onion, diced. Half a cup of green pepper. Well, it's not green pepper, it's mixed peppers. And that was frozen, I've just defrosted them. 2 garlic cloves, well, it's garlic powder. A tablespoon of chili powder. I've not got any chili powder, so this is chipotle and chili flakes, extra hot. A teaspoon of garlic powder. It's already in with the garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. I don't have mustard. Oregano or oregano, half teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. That's combined. Black pepper and sea salt. No, it's kosher salt I've got. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Well, that's actually tomato puree. A cup of vegetable stock. That's just vegetable bouillon. 2 tablespoons, it says vegan Worcestershire sauce, Worcester sauce. That's just normal Lee and Perrins Worcester sauce. Half a cup of ketchup. I don't have ketchup, I don't eat ketchup. So what I've done, I've got a tin of tomatoes. And 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Oh, barbecue. So that's quite a lot. So in a large skillet on medium heat, saute diced onion, pepper and garlic. So I'm using the Ninja for that today. I put it on the saute function. And temperature, I'll put medium. There we go. It doesn't say about oil. What I'll do is I'll put a splash of oil for sauteing. So that's rapeseed oil. The medium. I'm going to put that on high. So my onions, pepper and garlic. My onions in. My peppers. And my garlic. Well, it says minced garlic. I've not got minced garlic. I'm going to just crush that a wee bit because it's powdered. I think it's been lying in the jar too long in the sunlight. This is my spurtle. A spurtle. It's for mixing your porridge. It's a Scottish thing. For stirring porridge. It's got a wee handy bit on the end, so I can use it as a mortar and pestle. I've not got a mortar and pestle because I've never really needed one. That'll do for that. I'll just use a wooden spoon. So I'll put that on medium. So for 3 to 5 minutes, or until onion is translucent. So I'll do that. And just see you back here when that's done, in 3 to 5 minutes. Or in the meantime, I could do a song and dance routine. So there's quite a lot of ingredients, eh? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ingredients. And that's the easy Red Lentil Sloppy Joe. I wonder what the difficult one is. I've never heard of this before. I got it from, I'll put the link in to the website I got it from. Oh, you can smell that. I've switched on smell-o-vision. You scratch your screen, scratch and sniff. Just actually where this is, if you scratch that bit there, you smell that. So maybe you need the smell-o-vision app. Or are you scratching hard enough? So then add the meatless crumbles and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. So that's them there. Textured vegetable protein. They're hard. I don't know what they're supposed to do. That's 3 to 5 minutes. I could actually add the spices now. So coat that. Release some of the oil as well. So I'll put my lentils in. I love lentils. I've never had that vegetable protein before. Lentils, spices, tomato paste. Then I'll put in my stock. Just a wee bit. Turn that up again to high. My Worcester sauce. Try and get it all over your fingers as well while you're doing that. And the liquid smoke. Now that to me, it's not very liquid at all. Yeah, that definitely needs water. So then it says simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently. Serve with buns, vegan cheese and pickles. Store in fridge or freezer. Or just eat it all. Well, let's see. That's soaked everything in. And it looks cooked. We shall soon find out. Let that cool for a few minutes. Turn that off. Let's have a wee look. What I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to make some tortillas. Got a new tortilla press today, which I've never made tortillas before, so. That's disgusting. That textured vegetable protein is like super tough and rubbery. That's disgusting. Let's see what just the lentils and yeah, the lentils and that are fine. Ah, that's disgusting. Ah! I like eating a lumpy gristle. Oh, there must be I must have cooked them wrong. That's disgusting. Let's have a look. That's the packet. Textured vegetable protein, plain chunks. I did ask for helicopter, but they only had plain. And doesn't tell you how to cook them. But I've obviously done something wrong. They must need longer than that 10 to 15 minutes or whatever. Yeah. That's disgusting. I've definitely cooked that wrong. The lentils and everything else is lovely. Full of flavours. But it's just that vegetable protein. The texture is disgusting. Yeah. What I'll do, I think you might have to soak that first. What I'll do is I'll leave it overnight. Hopefully it'll have absorbed some of the juices and softened it. But if not, I'm going to have to rethink this recipe. Just extra lentils and no meatless crumbles, as they call it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We live and learn. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now.